Morning all. Well, Melbourne's out of lockdown, which is fantastic. Put a smile on my face. So I'm just going to do a walk around Chadstone just to see if everyone's out and about and everyone's feeling happy again. Plus I need to do some shopping and also maybe check out. So I'm at Chadstone now. Now the next problem is to try and find bloody parking. It's busy, very busy. Well, check out the car park behind me. It is absolutely packed at the moment. And to make matters worse, I spilt my bloody latte all over me, so I look like I pissed my pants.
Shut up! It's a serious problem! Shut up! It's a serious problem!
I wear the mask in here, unfortunately. Everyone's wearing a mask at the moment, so which is a good sign. Really busy, guys, heaps of people around, and there's QR codes wherever you have to enter, which is a good thing. This is amazing up here. It's near the cinemas. There are heaps of new restaurants. Prices are ridiculous there. Spring roll is like $6.50 for a small bloody spring roll. No way, I'm too tired. The food court, see what's there to eat. Some food, but I can't eat it because there's no bloody space to sit down and eat it because of all the COVID restrictions. So I might have to go home or down the beach, one of the two. That was crazy busy in there. Probably not as busy as Christmas time, but definitely a lot of people out. Bought some spicy Japanese pork but because of the bloody COVID restrictions, I can't sit down anywhere to eat it. Well, I couldn't get any seating there, so I came down the beach to eat my spicy pork noodles. They put bloody rice in there too, so well, let's taste it and see what it's like. You know what, it's not too bad. I probably wouldn't go back for it. Seems to be a lot of cabbage, corn, some egg. Yeah, look, it's okay. Nothing I'd rave on about. But I like the view around here, it's nice. Makes it more enjoyable. Anyway guys, that's what Melbourne's like after lockdown. It's pretty busy. Chadstone was crazy. I'm not a big shopping centre guy, I can't stand it actually. I just wanted to give you insight into how people are, sort of what people are doing out there at the moment after lockdown.